Anything that goes out of your pocket is a liability. Anything that puts money into your pocket is an asset. If you want to make it big in affiliate marketing, in online space, you need to constantly create digital assets, and these digital assets will work for you 24/7. In this video, I will share 7 best digital assets for affiliate marketing. Even this video which you're watching is a digital asset, and this is just one forms of digital assets, and I'm going to share 7 best digital assets for affiliate marketing. So stay focused, take lots of notes, because one idea from this episode can change and give you the breakthrough. So let's get in. We usually give lots of importance to build our own house and stay there. Many a times, it is our dream to build our own house. Even if you own a house, it is a liability if you are staying there. It will be an asset only if it is generating income. I was not aware until I read this book from Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. If you have not read that, please go and read this, because it is completely changed my perspective about assets and liability. Similarly, in a business, you need to focus and prioritize the steps which is going to generate income. And that's the topic for today. Now, let's go to the mind map. First, I will share types of digital assets which you got to focus. And after that, I will tell you what is your next logical step. Now, let's go and see one by one these digital assets. And the first one is your hub. Hub is nothing but your home on the internet. It is an ecosystem of yours where all the activities happen. And your hub is going to be an asset if you have these critical components. And the first one is your landing page. And the second one is blog, your blog session. And the third one is your membership portal. Landing page and blog is your front end of the hub, where people will come and interact with you, and your landing page will help you to capture your lead, and blog will give lots of valuable contents to your prospects so that they can believe you and you can build the trust. And membership, where they can network, where they can interact. This is your back end of the hub. Yeah, so hub is your digital asset. And let's move on to the second one, which is your funnels. What is funnel? Funnel is nothing but the process or the journey you've created for your prospects to become your customers. I have different funnels for different products I promote, different products or the courses I own. And these funnels will not sit separately. These funnels will be linked to your hub. The funnels are the front end, rather the ways to enter into your world, to your hub. Yeah. Now let's move to third digital asset, which is email list. You might have heard people saying email list, email marketing is dead. That's not true. So you got to have a strategy in place to capture the leads, capture the email address of the people, the prospects, when they visits your website, to your landing page. Yeah, and keep building your email list and keep sending them email. You might argue, because of the policy or the algorithm changes in the Gmail, your emails usually goes to the promotional folder, and sometimes it will go to the spam folder. That's okay. Even if your open rate, email open rate is 15 to 20%, that's really good, and you can personalize the communication, and it is going to be very, very effective. So keep building your email list, and email list is going to be your biggest asset. Yeah. Now let's move on to the fourth digital asset, which is contents. Yeah. And contents has a text format, video format, even audio format. Yeah. Your video, the video which you're watching, this is a digital asset. Your blogs, text-based content, digital asset. Podcast, it is a audio-based content, so it is also a digital asset. Yeah. So contents are one type of digital asset. Now let's move to the fifth one, which is your community and tribe. You would have heard people saying this: money is in the list, but that's not actually true. Money is in the relationship you have built with your list, with your subscribers. So it is very important. You need to focus and prioritize to build your own community, your tribe. You don't need millions of people into your community. You can just focus on building 1,000 super fans. Just imagine you have 1,000 super fans who trust you, who believe in you, who are engaged with you, and you care for them, and you work to get them a result. Then you can build a multi-million-dollar business just with 1,000 super fans. So focus on building your community and tribe, because it is going to be one of the biggest assets, and future of business is going towards building a community or a tribe. Yeah. Now let's move on to the sixth digital asset, which is your digital products. The best way to do affiliate marketing is to have your own digital products, your courses, your training, coaching, consulting, where you educate your customers and strategically include your affiliate links. Yeah. Seventh digital asset is partnerships and collaboration. As you start growing your business, as you build your brand, your next level is to forge partnerships and collaboration with other businesses. There is no such thing called competitors. Even with your competitors, you are going to partner with them, collaborate with them, so that you can add lots of value to your target market. So partnerships and collaboration is the last digital asset which I wanted to share with you. Now let's just recap. First one is your hub, then it is funnels, and the third one is email list. Here I forgot to tell you something. Segmentation and email sequence is also an asset. Based on the product your customers have purchased, the level of the funnel they are in, you need to send different types of emails. Yeah. And you can automate each and everything. So email sequence and the segmentation is very, very critical. And the contents, community and tribe, digital products, partnerships and collaboration. These are the 7 types of digital assets which you got to focus if you really want to win. Now, what is your logical next step? So your logical next step is go and download my ebook, Affiliate Marketing Blueprint, for free. In the description, I have given the link. Download that, go through that. I have shared lots of valuable information over there. If you want to continue learning more about affiliate marketing, tap or click on your screen and watch my other videos. Until we meet next time, I say goodbye and take care.